are presented by topic is parallelogram. Both sides of parallelogram are opposite angles with equal definition. Properties. Opposite angles are equal when parallel in angles is 180 degrees. Examples: square, rectangle, rhombus, and rhombus. Rhomboids are all types of parallelogram.
Measurement is the action of measuring time, weight, height, temperature, length, speed, and more standard units such as second, hour, inches, meter, and degrees are the common units used to measure things.
Data is an important concept in mathematics that involves connecting, organizing, and analyzing data to extract meaningful information.
From class 7. The topic name is direct and inverse proportion. Direct proportion and indirect proportion are two types of proportions. They describe the relationship between two quantities. Direct proportion: as one quantity increases, so does the other. As one quantity decreases, so does the other. The ratio of the values remain constant. Inverse proportion: as one quantity increases, the other decreases, or as one
How many inches networks are Suppose you have a 5 1 rupee one, then which one you can take? If you want to exchange with these ones, सपोज आपने मुझे नोट दिया सर, आप मुझे चेंज दे दीजिए, तो मैं आपको 100 रुपीज के कितने नोट रिटर्न करेंगे?
Trigonometry is a branch of mathematics that help to understand the shape, size, angle, and measurement of things in the real world. And word geometry comes from the Greek word ge, meaning earth, and land. This is a
Getting me? Are you getting it? Question?
And analyzing data to extract meaningful information. Thank you.
What is your weight? आपका वजन क्या है पता है?
28 gram. Yours? Gram.
ग्राम और केजी?
Think.
Third angle is oblique. An oblique angle is an angle which is greater than 90 degrees but less than 180 degrees. It means shows 360 degrees, 130 degrees. Fourth angle is a straight angle. A straight angle in an angle measure is actually 180 degrees.
Very good.
Reflex angle. Reflex angle is an angle which is greater than 180 degrees but less than 360 degrees. It means shows 270 degrees. Next angle is a complete angle. This angle is a last angle. An angle that measure is actually 360 degrees. Thank you.
The shape. The shape.
तू ले रहा है अच्छे से बैठ।
क्या
रेल अलग किस क्लास कर रहे हैं? What did you do in class? How many are classmates got this? When did you get it? How many? Special award.
Thank you.
Will you continue this one or just one?
When two lines are parallel across each other, they are called intersecting lines. Parallel lines, lines that never meet at always and at equal distance from each other are called parallels. Perpendicular lines, lines that meet at right angles and are always and at equal distance from each other are called perpendicular lines. You can see they never meet and always at an equal distance from each other. This is perpendicular line example. In the middle of the line, you can see they are crossing at an right angle. Thank you. Ancient tool used in mathematics. It is used for counting and performing mathematical operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Thank you. And our number cannot be Today I will show you how much storage. To all of you, my topic is ascending and descending order. What is ascending order? Ascending order means arrangement from smallest to largest. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. What is descending order? Descending order means arrangement from largest to smallest. For example, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It is music of Sa Re Ga Ma Pa Dha Ni Sa. Ascending order. Sa Ni Da Pa Ma Ga Ni Sa. Descending order. Thank you. My answer is 5.
My topic is prediction. First,
The number from number line. Example, click your file. Now I will move the car 5 numbers forward. Hold on for a minute. Thank you. My name is Angel Jad from class 4. My model is on 3D shapes. 3D shapes are solid shapes or figures that have 3 dimensions. Generally, length, width, and height are the dimensions of 3D shapes. 3-dimensional shapes. The common names of these shapes are hexagon, cube, cone, and cylinder. Thank you. Our topic is bar graph. Bar graph is a way to display data graphically by bars. It is a bar graph in which marks obtained are mentioned in different subjects by a month. This graph has x-axis and y-axis. It transforms the data into separate columns. Here x-axis is equal to subject of assessment 2 and y-axis is equal to marks obtained in 0 to 100. In English, we got 60 marks. In Hindi, we got 80 marks. In science, we got 70 marks. In maths, we got 90 marks. In GK, we got 40 marks.
Fascinating and fundamental concepts in mathematics and art. My name is Kavya, a proud student of grade 6, and I am thrilled to share my exploration of the wonderful world of symmetry with you. As we navigate our daily life, we often encounter many examples of symmetry without even realizing it. From the intricate pattern on a butterfly's wing to the majestic architecture of an ancient monument, symmetry is all around us. But what exactly is symmetry? Symmetry is the exactly similar part facing each other or around an axis. In my project, I'll be delving into symmetry and examining some amazing examples of symmetry from around the world. Thank you.
In this set of introduction, we will explore various mathematical concepts and facts to test your knowledge. Whether you are looking for fun, trivia, or a chance to enhance your math-related general knowledge, these GK question and answers have got you covered.
How much data outside of an object covers? Surface area is the sum of all the areas of an object. For example, a cube has 6 identical square faces significantly by the area of 1 cube by 6. The selected surface area includes 2 circular discs and a curved side.
This is based upon Pythagoras' theorem. Pythagoras' theorem is derived by the Vidyana and Amos Pythagoras. He stated that this Pythagoras' theorem is based upon identity. It is the longest side of Pythagoras is called hypotenuse and base. The hypotenuse to the square on the hypotenuse side is equal to the sum of the square on the other two sides. It can use ordination such calculating the length of a staircase to require a window to reach.